Hi, my name's Brenda Joy King. I'm a student at Wake Tech, and this is the computer programming Capstone course, CSE 289, in the summer of 2014. Now, for my project, I wanted to do an app for the promises of the Bible, and I used the Catholic Youth Bible because actually, out of all the versions I've read, it's actually the best one that most people can understand, and it really makes sense. The purpose is for people to have an Android app to buy if they want to have a handy word of encouragement or compassion available as they needed it throughout the day. The features are it is on an Android platform. There's 79 categories of promises. There's 20 plus lines per category. That's 20 verses at least per category. And it is an SQLite database, which also lends itself to a cross-platform over to Windows as well as iOS as time permits. And it is a simple list view to select the category, and each verse has its category listed above it so that the people don't lose track there. Developing the database took 3 months. I would enter 2 categories of 20 lines or verses each per day. A great way to start your day. Figuring out that I would need a separate class per category was major. When I first started coding the app, I thought everything was going to be done in 1 or 2 classes. However, the more I got involved with it and researching on how to do certain things to tie it all together into one app, I realized I would need a separate class per category, and that is how you use the selected index position, is to start the activity of that particular class. So when I finally got down to writing the SQL, that was actually the easy part, because as long as you have the format right, I just substituted the category for each of the 79 classes. So it's been rather time consuming because there are so many categories, but it's been fun. It's been very fun, and I've enjoyed learning all that I have. And the challenges were really whether to use a content provider or just pass the output to the cursor. And that was really big. The more you get into it, you realize that your SQLite database is actually a content provider, and you can use it across platform, across apps. You can use it, like your phone contacts, that's a content provider. All the tutorials concentrate on your phone content, on your phone contacts. But you can also, you can set up your SQLite database as its own content provider. Now that was a little bit too involved. I stuck to using the cursor. I would pass the cursor adapter. I pass the output to the cursor and then parse it to the appropriate text views. This is the, first design view. You don't see the entire title up there, and these are the items, and this is what it looks like, a partial list anyway. It does scroll of some of the categories, and I got the title right there. So then we went on, and we have this where I put up a toast message to know that I'm getting the correct index, the selected item index. I'm getting the correct number. So design and testing was pretty fun. This is what the output will look like. So this is the list view and the categories. There are 79 of them, and this is just a testing view. I know you're not supposed to show the demo of it, so I'm just showing you a testing view of the list view with all 79 categories. And there are 20 lines plus per category. And it is on the Android platform, and you can see Eclipse running in the background. In conclusion, this project provided an opportunity for me to publish an app on the Android platform for people who wish to have a handy word of encouragement as they go through their day, to have one readily available on their smartphone Android platform. I focused the database on an easy to understand and well-written version of the Bible that all people will be able to comprehend. And here's a list of some resources, and also look me up on my YouTube channel. These will be put into tutorials. Thank you.